Morning guys, welcome back for another episode of Dark Weekly. This week we've been up in Bowling. We've been totally up against the weather. It's been raining, it's been windy, it's been snowing. Beautiful setting, but it's just hellish to work in. So we've managed to get the two alcoves in. We've got the base cabinets all sorted, doors are on, neat and adjusted. The high levels are all in as well, cornice is on, and it's more or less ready for sanding other than the skirting, alignment of the doors, and then onto the sanding, which is great. So that's where we're at the minute. Tommy will hopefully be onto the sanding. I'll get the site cleared off, get the rubbish away, and that'll be us for this week. It's just currently gone 7:15. I've managed to grab myself a quick roll from the lovely Greg's. So I'm going to eat that, and then I'm going to head up to the site and we'll get things finished up over there. Here we're back on site. What we've got is we've got some antique brass hinges, just waiting to get the handles on. Doors are all sitting on, ready to get a magnetic catch. Beautiful cornice, and over here. Tommy's just going to go into the sanding after our lunch and then we'll be done. I'm going to get the rubbish away off site, get everything cleared up, and hopefully we'll have this killed by tonight. So we'll show you once we're all done, and stay with us. That's the van all loaded up, and sorry, talking nonsense. That's the garage loaded up. For next week, we've just I try to store as much material as I can, not as much as I can, but just enough that keeps us going without needing to go to the merchants every time. It's handy just to have it at the house, and it means I can just pick it up when I need it instead of waiting for the merchants to open at 8 o'clock or 7:30. I'm ready to go and on site. So that's all sorted. I have 1 bar of fuel left, so I'm going to go and get some diesel, so we're all ready for next week. That's us hopefully finished up there on the job in Bowling. Tommy should, fingers crossed, be finished sanding, so we'll head back and we'll see how he's got on. £132. Here we are back on site up in Bowling. As you can see, our units are all finished and handed over to the client. We've got the antique brass handles on, we've got the magnetic catches on inside, they're all shutting over nicely, and that's a wrap for us on this job.